Hello dear Sagittarians, welcome to my channel Karmic Sage. Namaste. I hope you all are doing great, and before we start our tarot reading for the month of August 2020, I request you all to please mm, do like and share my subscribe my channel Karmic Sage, and do share among your known contacts. Probably this might help them, help others also. And I'm just, as you know, I just started giving my online predictions now, so probably that will also help me a lot in reaching out more people. Okay, so let's start. Thank you so much for doing that before I start. And yeah, now let's start with your prediction or with your tarot reading for the month of August 2020. And here goes the first card. Three of swords. Right? No, though these cards look a little scary, yes, you know, I've been hit in my heart, and that too with three swords. Okay, oh my God. So what kind of, what kind of pain it is going to be? But of course not. Let's look this card from a different perspective again. Dear Sagittarians, what I am seeing is here is, yeah, a kind of disappointment in the relationship or in the work things also. There is a kind of disappointment that you are dealing with already. In fact, this is not new. This is not going to happen in the month of August, but I am sensing this from the past few days. You are going through this kind of disappointment, and which is actually hurting you a lot. Either it can be in your relationship also, or it can be no, work related things again. So I am seeing that. And yeah, so what my go through with the three cards here. And this is the second card, which is your world card. So this world card says that, you see, the world card says mm, yeah, the cycle has now ended. Probably whatever you were going through, the kind of pain that you were going through, the kind of, some kind of you were going through something, which you the kind of pain, probably that it can be the relationship also, or you were carrying a burden or disappointment from your career friend. So if you are going through with all these things on your career friend, or on your job you are not happy, or there is a disappointment on the financial friend also. But mostly it can be, it can be an emotional disappointment, or it can be from the relationship. The kind of fear, or the kind of mm, pain is is because of the relationship, or is because of the emotions, attachments and all. So if you are going through this, then the world card says, yes, this is the cycle which is ending now, and you are now placed in a new cycle. Okay, so what is the new cycle bringing you? If we see that, and the world card is also giving you some good opportunities. It's kind of an achievement you have been through, you have done, or you have experienced the pain now. Now let's see what is the next thing coming up. So it's giving you, it's opening your path to broader opportunities, to large number of opportunities again, which you will understand. Whatever the pain that you are carrying now, it's opening to now it's opening no opportunities. Now you find the opportunities coming. So Sagittarians, what the third card says here is um, Hierophant. And Hierophant is a card that is protecting you. It's a card, I know that's the energy that is, the Hierophant is someone who is coming, entering in your life, or who is someone there as a mentor in your life. Because now there is, lot many things have happened in your life now. You have been, you went through so many sorrow. I mean, you've been through so much of pain now, and now, because this is the time that the healing has to start, and new things, no, the diversion, the life is now taking a new direction from here on. So probably as it is opening to new opportunities, new possibilities also. So probably there is a person going to come into your life, or someone from somewhere you will be guided, right? This universe is sending you this guidance, and you will get it in different ways. It can be a person, it can be your internal clarity also, sometimes we feel so much, we feel much clarity in our thoughts again. So there is a person, I mostly feel, yes, there is a mentor going to come in your life, or there is already a person is there, and probably he or she is going to guide you. He or she is going to serve as a mentor in your life to move forward. Okay, and this is what I'm feeling with you, Sagittarians. So what I'm saying is, yeah, nothing to worry about it. Actually, more concentrate on the healing part and the new things, new opportunities, possibilities that are there now in your life. So just focus your energy for the new things. Okay, yeah, because yeah, what has happened is happened. We cannot change it. So we need to move on, and yeah, we need to move on. And as we move on, as we make ourselves, as we prepare ourselves with the mindset of moving on in our life, definitely we will be guided also, and we get this guidance from the universe again. And here I have your energy card. What's a lovely energy that you have. This is Archangel Shamuel, ruling your third chakra. Okay, the way place where he is holding on the abdomen. So this is the chakra where he is holding a ball, energy ball. Okay, so that is your third chakra. Actually, this third chakra stores lot of energy, which we get. It's a ball of energy actually, which provides which supplies energy throughout our body. So the gut feeling actually comes from this place, from this third chakra. So Archangel Shamiel, who is the ruler of it, and is here to help us, and he's here to help you. Otherwise, to give you that gut feeling. Probably, the universe has realized that you are not able to shift yourself, shift your energy. So here comes the Archangel Shamiel with, and he's also the love of God, and he's sorry, love of angel. I'm sorry. So he is also a love of angel, and then probably, he is giving you that strength. He is giving you the strength that you require, and for healing again, he is bringing that kind of loving energy also to you, so that you can heal yourself, and he is giving you that gut feeling to move forward. So just take this, understand this energy. When you focus on Archangel Samuel, and when you focus on this your third chakra, probably, try to focus on your third chakra, on your abdomen, and feel that the energy is vibrating throughout your body. And that is how you get the gut feeling also. You develop the gut feeling of doing things. Probably, if you are looking for a job change, or if you feel that, yeah, you're stuck up in your relationship, or in your career, in your finances, nothing is working out, and you're quite disappointed with all your trials, and then, this gut feeling gives you the energy required to move forward. Okay, uh, so just focus on that again. And we have your card from the universe. What's a message from the universe for you, dear Sagittarian? The universe works fast when I am having fun. So just relax. So the universe says that you just need to relax, buddy. You don't have to worry. You don't have to carry that pain. So when you relax, and with the same vibes, when you send the same vibes to the universe, so the same vibes, the universe going to send you back. That means, when you keep yourself relaxed, you will be able to understand how universe is working in your favor. All right, so this is what about your August 2020. Lot of change happening, and so I really wish you good luck, dear Sagittarians. Do let me know if you're looking for any suggestions. If you have any suggestions for me, do let me know under the comment box, in the comment box down. And I see you again in the next month. Till then, take care. Bye bye.